In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add target accounts in HubSpot. Target accounts help you focus your sales and marketing efforts on the companies that matter most. Marking them correctly powers ABM reporting, prioritizes outreach, and makes building smart lists and dashboards much easier. Let's walk through two simple ways to do it. One for a single company, and one for multiple companies at once. First, head to your HubSpot home, then open the CRM and go to Companies. This is your master list of organizations. To mark a single company as a target, click into the specific company you want to flag. On the company record, open the Actions menu and choose View All Properties. This brings up every field tied to that company. In the search bar, type Target Account to quickly find the property. When the Target Account property appears, click the drop-down arrow and set it to True. That's it for the single company method. HubSpot will apply the change immediately, and you'll now be able to filter, report, and automate around that target status. Now, let's bulk update. Go back to the Companies page. If you want to flag multiple companies, use the checkbox beside each company name to select the ones you want. This is especially helpful if you've filtered your list down to ideal fit accounts. With your record selected, click Edit. In the Edit panel, you'll be asked to select a property to change. Start typing Target Account, then click the Target Account property when it appears. Next, open the Target Account drop-down menu and choose True. Finally, click Update to apply the change to all selected companies. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure you're choosing the company-level Target Account property, since contact properties won't impact company targeting. If you're editing in bulk, double-check your selection before updating to avoid changing the wrong records. When in doubt, apply a filter first, so you're only working with the accounts you intend to mark. After updating, consider saving a view that filters where target account is true, so your team can access priority accounts in one click. With these two methods, you can confidently mark target accounts one by one or at scale. That consistency keeps your teams aligned and your ABM efforts measurable. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.